This is my favorite part every Tuesday when they bring out the pets and give us the fun costumes.
They made me self-conscious by telling me one of my ears was weird.
Your ears look great.
Thank you very much.
Pet parents, this next segment is for you. We'll get them under control, don't worry. Halloween, not just for humans anymore. A whopping 76% of pet owners dress up their pooches for Halloween. I don't know what's wrong with the other 24%.
I don't know. The other 24% are shut-ins. But if you are stumped at what costume to put your pet in, fear no more, because the Craft Studio's Lindsey Peers is here to show us how some easy and fun and affordable costumes you can make without breaking the bank. Hi, Lindsey.
Hello.
I love that you helped us get in the spirit
Thanks
here.
for wearing
really
the ears, guys. It's really
the
10 out
the
of 10.
pet ears are courtesy of Lindsey, and we were totally game.
I
all right,
love
so
it.
listen, pet owners spend a lot of money
Yes.
purchasing Instagram-worthy costumes for their pets. But you say not necessary. You don't have to break the bank. You can do it at home. Tell us how to get it done.
Think outside the box. See what you have. Use their little jackets, some felt strips you have from craft projects. I know you have a lot of craft
I
supplies
do.
at home,
Listen,
right?
I've got 2 kids. I've got lots of felt and cotton balls.
Right? You'll see I use like lids from a container to make Labubu eyes. Use what you have. I'm going to show you to think outside of the box. You're going to love this.
Okay. All right, don't give away the costumes yet.
I
Let's
know.
bring out some of these perfect pet costumes to show us here. Our first model is going to be Juno, wearing one of the trendiest costumes this year.
She's a showgirl, guys.
Taylor Swift's Life of a Showgirl.
Look at that girl.
Juno.
She's rocking it. Okay.
She's a little shyer, I think, than T Swift.
She's very demure. She's very poised. Oh my goodness, look at her. So Taylor, her album came out. Everybody's talking about it. I literally spent $5 on a dog bikini because summer's out of season, right? So scour the internet, go to your local pet store, find the dog clothes that are on sale.
I probably have a dog bikini.
I can't believe
right?
she just used the
You
words
have one lying around.
Purpose.
You can also just get jewels, rhinestone it. That's one of the anti-anxiety headbands that actually keep them calm, and I just glued a feather on it, and she's rocking it. She's so trendy. She's a cultural moment in the fur. I almost said in the flesh.
So cute.
Juno's going to be getting tons of treats.
I
this
know,
Halloween.
tons of treats. She is rocking it. Life
you,
of a
Juno.
showgirl, what?
Okay, next up we have got, that's amazing, by the way, that you made that.
Thank
just
you.
with such simple stuff.
Yeah.
Glue dots.
At home.
Jewels.
I love it. Next up, we've got Zoe wearing the classic costume.
Oh my
the
gosh.
hot dog.
I love this. Zoe is such a good girl. Okay, this could not be easier.
Tell me those are couch cushions.
They could be couch cushions. What I did is I took 2 pillowcases I already had. I pulled the corners in from the inside and safety pinned it so I didn't have to sew. I didn't ruin the pillowcase. I safety pinned some elastic, and then we need that ketchup and mustard on there. Felt and foam. I just cut in squiggles and used some glue and stuck it on, and now she's rocking it.
And if you bring them out trick-or-treating with you, you can just throw some of the candy into the couch
You could use
cushions.
it like saddlebags, right?
it.
You could totally do that.
Look
It's
at what
form
a
and
good
function
girl.
in one.
Oh
That's
my
fantastic.
Goodness. Love
What
it.
a beautiful pup, too.
I mean, right? Could there be a better looking hot dog?
No.
I mean, who could eat that?
Love delicious. You look delicious, Zoe.
Thank you, Zoe.
So
Appreciate
cute. What a
that
good
here.
girl.
Next up here, we have Henry. Henry wearing, as you said, this is the Labubu costume.
Oh my gosh.
Ernie LeBeau, I hope you're watching this at home right now. One of our news anchors, huge Labubu fan. All over the newsroom.
Okay, so this is a tie-dye hoodie, and I don't know if we can see the back. If maybe Henry. I just painted bottle caps to be eyes, cardboard teeth, and a little pipe cleaner black mouth, and glued it on the back of a tie-dye hoodie. I cut the hoodie in half for the floppy ears, little fur on there. I mean,
I'm going to be honest. Henry looks pretty happy about his costume.
so happy.
Henry is pretty jamming in that costume right there.
That's the thing. I don't want the dogs to be uncomfortable. We want it to be affordable, easy, and comfortable.
Every dog wants to be a Labubu this year.
I know.
It's so hard. You know, why buy a costume when you can make a costume? Look at that.
Look at that.
I just feel like dogs make every show better. I don't. Labubu, I love it. It's so good. Okay.
I know.
Next up we've got Maverick, and this one. Talk about on trend.
Yeah.
K-pop demon hunter costume.
Oh, look at this. This is a human and dog animal tag team here.
The owner is rocking the Demon Hunter sword for Maverick. This is Rumi. Rumi is probably the fan favorite out of the K-pop Demon
Look
Hunters.
at that braid.
So we got a purple hairpiece costume store for less than $10. Again, one of those dog anti-anxiety headbands. I think it calmed Maverick right down. And then this was just a dog fleece jacket I got on the discount rack, and I used some scraps of craft materials to make it look like roomy and a glue gun, and we're good to go.
Oh, I do have to say, Maverick was so excited to get out here, to be on camera today, to get dressed up. I get it. It's like my kids at home. They're so excited for Halloween. They want to show off their great costumes.
And Maverick wants to go hunt some demons. That's why all the activity, which I love so much.
Let's bring all our models back one more time over here so we can check out all those costumes again. It is great when the dog park and the Halloween parade comes into the studio here on New York Living.
How incredibly just like chill and well behaved and great are these our dog models.
I hope they got some treats. Please tell me
they got lots of treats.
What's your number one tip for DIYing a costume at home? Number one tip for making it affordable and fun?
Number one tip is look what you have. Use what you have. And sometimes the costumes you buy are cheap and they're not even that good quality. You can do it for less than $10, truly. Number one tip is use what you have. Think outside of the box.
You get the fun of making a costume. Making a costume is fun for Halloween.
I love it. It's
this whole thing, I just made that because, Lindsay told me to make it with what I had at home. Lindsay, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
And
thank you to our models. Such good puppies.
For more crafty inspiration, you can follow Lindsay at Craft Studio NYC on Instagram.
Indeed. And you got later on, we're going to have people send us photos of their pets dressed up, which you can do right now. Which you can do. All right, coming up, the hottest rides on the lot and some of the latest models are selling fast.
Yeah, our Nick Miles has a look at the 5 best new SUVs on the move this year. And let's just say luxury is not lost on these rides.
Plus, don't forget, send us your Halloween costume pics bonus points if you send your puppy. If you dress your puppy up in DIY a costume, we totally want to see it. Scan the QR code on your screen, upload the photos. We will share them all week long on New York Living.